is architect Mangesh Prabhagaonkar. I'm the chairman of the Indian Institute of Architects Goa chapter. 1st of October 2018, across the world we are celebrating World Architecture Day, and the theme is architecture. Let's create a better world. So in today's date, basically we have initiated a theme called Adopt a Village. Adopt a Village, we are having two events here. One is we are having a workshop which is held in the Black Box, where we are making all the professionals and stakeholders of Goa to come together and work on varied parameters of how Goa's village should be. आमचे गोंयचे एक गांव कशें आसचें, those kind of discussions are happening. And we are working on right now Mercedes village as a case study. But people have come all over Goa, and which are coming from, some are coming from mining based villages, some are coming from tourism based villages, some are coming from agriculture and fishing based villages, and some are coming from heritage based areas, or some are coming from urban area villages also. So all of them are debating right now on what kind of ideal village we should have in Goa. And at the end of the workshop, एक presentation astale where we have invited Honorable Minister Marvin Godino and Panchayat Director to come and listen to we as architects as to what kind of village vision people have in Goa, and how he can help us as Panchayat Minister in taking this village development plan process to Sallah. So village planning always comes in two manners. One is planning comes from top to down, that is from Delhi to Goa. But in this case it is Goa to Delhi, and that is the kind of message we are trying to get through on this World Architecture Day through our Institute of Architects. Second thing is we have also called all the children from varied schools, right from age 5 to 10, and then from 10 to 15. We have two categories, and we are doing an art contest for all these children who have come from varied parts of Goa, where we are asking them to draw their ideal village imaginary. They are supposed to draw what kind of village they should have. या सगळ्या भुरग्यांक आपली गोंयचे गांव जे आसा ते कशें आसचे, that kind of thing they are drawing right now, and that we are going to present again to the stakeholders who would come at 6 o'clock in the evening. Point is, we as an advisory body, we are requesting Government of Goa to listen to us in understanding people's perception, what kind of village image local people have, whether in terms of agriculturist कितें जाय पडटा, किंवा floating population जे आसा तांकां कितें जाय पडटा, or in terms of conservation what they should do, in terms of heritage areas what kind of development should do, in terms of respecting landform, water, slopes जे आसा आमचे. So considering all that ecological concerns which everybody is talking about, but this is a forum on World Architecture Day that Indian Institute of Architects has gathered and tried to connect all the masses to this policy makers of government of Goa in today's day. Thank you.
I myself Harshada Deshmukh. I'm working as an intern in Mangesh Prabhagaonkar's office, and he has held a competition, an art contest for kids as well, and as well as architecture. And the theme is Adopt a Village. Means the kids have to draw an ideal village, and they need to just paint whatever they feel like in this village, what a village has to be.